Is your Land Rover key fob not working? Don't panic. The most common causes are a dead battery, proximity antenna issues, or minor software glitches. Let's address each, starting with the easiest fix, the battery. Land Rover fobs typically use a CR2032 battery. Pry open the fob with a small screwdriver. Be careful not to damage the plastic and replace the battery, ensuring the correct polarity. If a new battery doesn't solve the problem, it might be the Prox antenna or software. Time for the next fix. If the battery isn't the culprit, the proximity antenna or a software glitch could be the issue. Antenna problems often arise from corrosion or interference. While antenna replacement is best left to a professional, try a hard reset first. This can clear temporary software hiccups. Simultaneously press and hold the lock and unlock buttons for 10 to 15 seconds until the lights flash. If problems persist, especially in humid climates or after exposure to salt, a corroded Prox antenna is likely. For advanced diagnosis, consider using an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes like PO5BA, indicating antenna failure. If all else fails, a dealership visit for antenna replacement is the recommended final solution.